Hello guys, it's my pleasure to welcome you to my channel, Laser Graphics and Multimedia. My name is Rafi Yakub right here. As you guys know me, I'm a procurement agent and a importation and importer coach. But before I get to the tutorial started, if you are very new to this channel, please remember to subscribe to the channel. Click on the notification bell so whenever I upload content about China importation and some other country importation, you get notified you watch the video. And lastly but not least, if you would like to connect with me on WhatsApp for importation business related, you can connect with me on WhatsApp via the number on the screen right here. In this video guys, I'm going to show you guys how you buy multiple items from a single supplier on Pinduoduo. So let's get started. Alright guys, so I will head over to my Pinduoduo right here. So first thing for as you can see guys, this is my Pinduoduo message section. First thing first, you have to make sure that you have a product in cart. If you don't know how to have product in cart on Pinduoduo, you can check the video on my channel, or I have made a video on how you can add a product to cart. So check it out and watch and see how you can add product to cart. So the next thing you have to do is to go to your Pinduoduo profile. Right here, I'm going to access my profile from the link right here. So I'm going to click on here. Then it takes me to my profile. Okay, so at this point here, this is where you have to click next. So right here, you can see this product here. I'm buying 3 different items from a single supplier. Okay, so what I'm going to do next is to tap on here to select the item. So having tap on here, you can see the amount I'm paying for this product is 45.32 RMB. So the next step to take is to click on here to make payment to this particular supplier. So I'm going to click on here now. So having click on here, it takes me to this page. So you can see that this product here, this is a gold in a different color, and I'm taking one of gold. I'm taking another one of purple. I'm taking another one of yellow. So this is how you select product from different product from a single supplier, different color, different size, and quantity as far as Pinduoduo is concerned. So when you are done selecting your product, the next thing you have to do is to click on here now to make payment to the supplier. So I'm going to click on that. So within few minutes, you're going to see that the payment is going to be successful. So you can see right here that the payment has been done successfully. Okay, so for you to be sure that this payment was done successful, all you have to do is to visit your profile on Pinduoduo. So let me take you guys to my profile so you guys can see that we have successfully procured this product. So right here, immediately you make payment successful to a product, the products move here to ready to ship right here. So you can see right here that we have 3 products ready to ship. So if I click on this page, this stage here, you are going to see the 3 different products we purchased from a single supplier. So right here, this is the supplier. This is the supplier name. So you can see everything remain the same. So guys, this is how you buy products of different sizes, color, and quantity from a single supplier on Pinduoduo. If you find value for this video, give this video a big thumb up. Remember to subscribe to this channel for more importation tutorial from China on this particular channel. If you would like to connect with me on WhatsApp for importation business related, you can connect with me on WhatsApp via the phone number on the screen of this video. If you would like to join my paid training on how you too can be a procurement agent and how you too can procure from China or any other country without using any agent, feel free to reach me via the same phone number on the screen of this video if you're interested to join my paid training. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope to see you guys in my next video. Bye for now.